absolute honour to be here today, and I want to thank everyone at Sanofi and Greenvolt Next for inviting me here, and I'm really pleased to be seeing this latest solar development, which is really, really important.
The key number to remember here really is it's going to produce approximately 4,000 megawatt hours in a year. That's equivalent to powering just under 1,000 homes. So in the space of about 6 months, from putting the first pile in the ground to where we are now, a couple of weeks away from switching it on, we can power 1,000 homes per year for the next 20 years.
And thanks for the partnership with Greenvolt. It's been a really positive thing for us, and I think we've learned a lot in terms of how we manage our electricity over the last few years.
This initiative represents a significant step forward for clean energy and sustainable infrastructure in Waterford and the South East region.
This solar farm is critical to Sanofi Waterford in reducing the cost of goods on site. It will also reduce our energy costs by 20%. And it will ensure that we are sustainable here in Waterford and Ireland, but will also ensure that we are competitive within the wider Sanofi manufacturing and supply network.
So some of the key steps were with a quite compact site, being able to meet the capacity that was set out in the brief. So there was a lot of initial design changes and adjustments. But once we achieved that, we were comfortable, and the client was comfortable with what we were proposing. The job flowed pretty well after that.
Yeah, I think my experience and the team's experience here of working with Greenvolt has been very pleasant. I think Greenvolt are very professional, and yeah, I would definitely recommend Greenvolt to collaborate with other companies.
Again, I'd like to thank everybody for all the hard work, and just a key message: speed of delivery, great quality product. It's going to deliver energy for the next 20 years, covering 20% of their energy, and we can do more.